How to create a Gate.io account. Sign up tutorial with referral ID. SUSUHAHA. Gate.io is a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its wide range of coins, competitive fees, and secure trading environment. This step-by-step guide will show you how to create your Gate.io account quickly and easily. Using referral ID SUSUHAHA during sign-up may grant you access to exclusive bonuses and rewards, making it even more beneficial to join. Follow the steps below to get started on Gate.io. Step 1. Visit the Gate.io website. To start, head to the official Gate.io website. Ensure you're on the correct site by checking that the URL begins with https:// and that you see the secure lock icon in the address bar. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button, typically found at the top right of the page. Click on this button to initiate the account creation process. Step 3. Enter your registration details. You'll be prompted to fill in the following information. Referral ID. Be sure to enter SUSUHAHA to receive potential bonuses and rewards as part of the Gate.io referral program. Double-check that your email is correct, as you'll need to verify it to complete registration. Step 4. Agree to terms and conditions. Review the terms and conditions, and then click the box to agree. You may also have to complete a simple security captcha to confirm you're not a bot. Step 5. Verify your email. After submitting your details, Gate.io will send a verification link to your email. Go to your email inbox, find the message from Gate.io, and click the verification link to confirm your account. Step 6. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. To increase the security of your account, Gate.io recommends enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. This feature requires you to enter a code from an authentication app, like Google Authenticator, each time you log in. Set up 2FA by following the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through downloading and connecting the authentication app. Step 7. Complete identity verification, KYC. To fully activate your account and unlock all trading features, complete the Know Your Customer, KYC, verification. This process requires a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address document. This verification step ensures account security and compliance with global regulations. Step 8. Fund your Gate.io account. Once your KYC verification is approved, you can deposit funds into your account. Gate.io supports various deposit methods, including crypto transfers and, in some regions, credit card payments. Choose your preferred deposit method, transfer funds, and prepare to start trading. Step 9. Start trading. With your account funded, you're ready to explore Gate.io's vast selection of cryptocurrencies, trading pairs, and advanced trading tools. Gate.io also offers features like staking, lending, and a range of spot and margin trading options. Why choose Gate.io? Gate.io offers over 1,400 cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, and a secure platform with advanced features for traders at all levels. By signing up with referral ID SUSUHAHA, you may unlock additional rewards, making your trading experience even more advantageous. With educational resources and easy-to-use tools, Gate.io is an excellent choice for both new and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. At channel name ready to start trading? Click the registration link in the description or comments below to create your Gate.io account with referral ID SUSUHAHA.